This is field station of CSIR IIIM located in Bunura village of Pulwama. The station produces various aromatic and medicinal plants. Let's go inside and talk to its officials to know more about this station.
This field station is spread over across 150 acres of area, and predominantly the activities that we carry over here at this station is development of the technologies for production, processing and post-harvest management of different high-value medicinal, aromatic and floricultural crops, and then in turn the deployment of such technologies to farmers and to the industry. We know that a lot of crops that we see in this part of the country have a lot of use in industry for their fragrances, for their flavoring properties, and those crops we classify as aromatic crops, and a lot of crops that are used for drug development or pharmaceutical industry are called as medicinal plants.
और मुझे लगभग 1 साल हो गया यहाँ पे काम करते हुए। पिछले मार्च से मैं यहाँ पे आ रही हूँ, अब 1 साल से अब दूसरा साल चल रहा है।
Bio resource that we see in this station, predominantly that we have lavender, rosemary, mints we have rose scented geraniums, we have other so many types of crops of medicinal nature as well that we cultivate at this station.
यहाँ पे बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ, पहले इतनी लड़कियाँ नहीं आती थी यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए, जो अलग अलग गांव से आती हैं यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए, तो काफ़ी सारी औरतों को, लड़कियों को यहाँ पे रोज़गार मिला है।
We do assist the society, the industry and the unemployed, educated young men and women. Actually, these crops offer unique opportunities in startup or entrepreneurship ecosystem development. When a person cultivates these crops, they are bound to generate some source of livelihood. So when we take these crops over the fields of the farmers, lot of employment opportunities are generated, because we have to grow these crops and that requires manpower. We have to process these crops, that requires manpower, and it becomes a complete value chain where we can see that a lot of employment opportunities are actually found in this type of agriculture. We provide a platform for conservation of the novel bioresource, predominantly the plant species that are depleting due to wildcrafting for their use in the pharmaceutical industry. We see a lot of plant species have now gone endangered or are now extinct by virtue of the mass scale extinction, what we call as extraction from the forests. And at this station we maintain a biodiversity repository where we maintain the germplasm of such plants which are high in value and also rare, so that we can maintain the germplasm for future generations.
सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट हमें यह है कि हमें काम ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम इंडिपेंडेंट हैं, अपने हाथ से कमाते हैं, रोज़गार मिला है हमें।